So, kid, what's your name anyway?
My name is
Nano, N-A-N-O.
Burn that shit. Danos barca el gallón, el atún que quemo yo, fumando y dando vuelo. Ya doy vuelo en first class, mente viaja bien relax.
Bro, my Temu fit came in. Yes, sir. We ready for war, man. Look at this fucking menace. Dude, you do look like a Russian, no cap. You see the fucking fit?
Boy, that hoe's clean! Boy, you stink!
We officially got insurance on the new truck. Now tomorrow I just need to go get a new sticker, get this thing registered. And man, once we got a new sticker, man, we actually finna start modding. We're gonna do some mods to it. Like get some tint in this bitch. Remove this little thing, remove the little steps down here. I don't like the steps. First drive with some insurance. Hopefully no cops give me bullshit about the little expired tag. What the hell? Is there a reason this truck is not going? Okay, that was weird as fuck. It was in reverse and it was not moving at all. Like if it still thought it was in park. Huh, that's weird, that's suspicious. No, don't give me problems already, truck. Don't give me problems, man. That low-key was kind of scary. Hey, before I forget, I'm casually driving, you know what I'm saying? If anybody who got a vehicle and they love their vehicle, they name their vehicle. So my OBS is named Ruby. Y'all been knowing that, you know what I'm saying? Because of color red and because I played Pokemon growing up. So I just, you know what I'm saying? I thought Pokemon Ruby, you know what I'm saying? They used the actual, what's it called? Rock Ruby. And so this truck, since it's all white, I think, man, I'm going to call her Miley, man. Ruby and Miley. Yes, sir. So when y'all refer to this truck, man, call her Miley. You know what I'm saying? Because of Miley Cyrus, she a white girl. So that's why. So I just came up with my name for my new truck. So I just wanted to get that on film before I forget. We on the way to go get my new baby Miley inspected. Hopefully she passed inspection, man. Ain't nothing really wrong with her. Be like, besides, dude, the only thing that's pissing me off is this broken gas gauge, bro. Because I'm like, dude, when am I gonna know how to fill up? I guess I'm gonna just go today, see how much gas is up in there. Fill it up a little bit because I really don't know, man. But besides that, it do got my back tail light is taped, so I don't know. She might give me troubles about that. But like I said, the blinker works, the brake light works on it, everything works. It's just a clip that's broken on the actual headlight, so it has to be held together with tape. Dang, boys, so it didn't go good. We didn't get the sticker renewed because it isn't officially under my grandpa's name, Charlie. It's still under my great-grandpa who, you know what I'm saying, passed away. So they weren't able to get the inspection. Well, I got the inspection done, but I wasn't able to get a new sticker. But we've been hitting some garage sales, and this is why you need to hit garage sales. And you know them black ladies, them older black ladies be showing out when it comes to church, man. They be dressing up all nice. They be wearing them crazy expensive hats. So, you know what I'm saying, it was some good branded shit. My first time picking that up, only paid 45 bucks for it all. I paid $2 each for them Ninja Turtle figures and $2 for that jersey, man. Really, really great deals today. So my truck is now fully legal. First little mod we're gonna do, I'm sorry, Papa Clyde. We're gonna take off your deer here. I honestly would keep it, but I hate all these little glue globs on here. Next modification happening out here in the back. My little fishing sticker, he's gonna go. He's gonna go. I don't want him. So my great-grandpa, he was a true fisherman, man. He loved fishing. Can anyone tell me why my great-grandpa had a tennis ball on his tow hitch right here? Because this ain't the first time I've seen this, and there's got to be a reason people do this. I just don't know the reason. So somebody let me know. And I gotta clean up that plastic. It's got some residue left over from the chrome shine. I know that ain't no damn Cybertruck, bruh. Somebody got a black wrapped Cybertruck, maroon? That's like a maroon purple. That's a white dude. That's an ugly ass truck. On God, I'm hating. And I'm not hating because of the truck itself. I'm hating because it's an electric vehicle, man. Fuck all electric vehicles. If you drive an electric vehicle as a man, you gotta have a vagina between your legs, bro. There ain't nothing more to it. I don't give a fuck about your reason. I don't give a fuck if you save on gas. I don't give a fuck about none of that, bro. You a pussy. You know what I'm saying? Drive a real fucking engine with a V8 in it, bro. Bro, tell me why the Domino's driver cutting the fuck up. That's his third cut up. Bro, he is on the fucking move, man. Whoever ordered a pizza, man, that shit coming to you, bro. Don't worry about it, man. He cutting up right now. Oh God, he was behind this black truck right here. And he cut up, but he all the way up the front now. He's gonna have y'all's pizza hot and ready when it gets to y'all, man. Hey, we out here with the GMC Sierra, you know what I'm saying? We finna mod it up a bit. We finna see what we need to do to take these steps off and hopefully get it done within the next 30 minutes because I do need to head out to Gilmer and pick up an auction win. I won something, it wasn't even nothing special, honestly. All right, so we got that fat ass bolt right there. And looks like another one over there. So it's looking like it's just gonna be 3 fat ass bolts, honestly. One. Let's see, should be easy. Unless these motherfuckers are on here tight as shit. I was low-key afraid it might be welded on, but yeah, this little low-key, that shit looks like it's gonna be hard as fuck to break. But let me make sure this isn't attached, is it? Can't see. Okay, it's not attached. Let me go get my tools out. Shout out my grandpa Charlie. He gifted this to me like 2 Christmases ago. It's coming very handy, but I think that's the right size. Let's make sure. Nope. Dang, I don't know if I have any bigger ones. Might go have to hit my dad's toolbox. Let me see. That's too small. What is this? Is bigger? It's the same shit. What's the difference between a 19 and a 3/16? Like, I honestly don't know what the hell the difference is between these red and blue ones. Don't know, but let's see. If this don't fit, we finna have to hit my dad's toolbox. Yeah, hell no, this shit don't fit. All right, just walked my ass all the way to the shop. I swear to God, if these don't fit, I'm finna be mad. Boy, I'm stupid. I think I'm fucking making this shit tighter. My dumb man don't know how to, bro, y'all just staring at my ass. I just realized that shit. Y'all just staring at my ass. Y'all dumb man, my dumb ass don't know how to use damn ratchet, boy. I'm out here going righty tighty. Supposed to be lefty loosey. Hell yeah, we finna have these steps off in 30 minutes for surely. Unless one of these bolts is just super stuck for some reason. It shouldn't be. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna loosen them all up before I actually take them out. My dad taught me that. And then it might start sagging on one end and then the other bolt's not gonna wanna come out. Okay, that's pretty loose right there. And why this truck already low? I swear to God, this truck's low already. Damn. Motherfucker on there tight. Damn. Come on, Jim Gaines. Come on, Jim Gaines. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. This one's smaller. What the hell? This bolt head's smaller. Okay, we need to switch up. Hey, boys, first step is off. That was fairly easy. Now we just gotta take this little middle bracket off. And then add these little pads to it right there. Look at these long ass bolts I had, bro. No wonder that shit was taking me forever. But yeah, them hoes are off now. Let's see how it's looking. It honestly doesn't look as low, but that's fine compared to this side with a step. I ain't gonna lie, why does the step kind of like add something to it? But oh well. Like I said, I honestly didn't like them because when I got off the truck, I had to step out farther to get out because the step is in my way. And I don't need a step to get out of my truck at all. There we go, man. Got the second one off and got it done in less than 30 minutes, boys. Mission accomplished. Now we finna take her for her first drive out of town. Look who I scooped up, guys. Miss Bookworm. We're heading to Gilmer, pick up some auction wins and go to this antique house and probably grab something to eat while we there.
In Gilmer?
Yeah.
Here?
Here, vlog. Since you wanted a vlog so bad that 2 years ago.
Okay, guys, I'm reading a really good book right now. I came prepared. I got everything that we need in here. We got some water because we're gonna have a long drive.
You didn't bring that water? Oh. think you talk about my water.
But yeah, I was trying to show Fernando my parents' land, but he didn't want to go because he's lame. So maybe if he does want to go after, I'll show you guys too.
We made it to the auction house. We're in the front right now. In the back is where you go pick up the stuff, but this is what I won right here. Brand new all wood dollhouse kit. You sell for like around 30 bucks on eBay. I paid $9 for it, but they got this free book section right here. You can take 1 free book per day, which is really, really awesome, man. I love that. Love that fact about this auction house. Maybe like Danny Duncan and put this on my truck. Should I? Only 95 bucks? I just have to drill some holes in my hood. A decanter. There was liquor in there at one point. On guard.
Bro, it's long. It's literally half of me.
And look, I bet you didn't even see that right beside it. Whole missile. Nah, that's a bullet. It's a big caliber bullet. Boys, we done pulled up to the Barrel House. First time ever being here. My girl's currently in the restroom, but I ordered a burger, and bro, I know for a fact it's finna smack. Watch, I'm already calling it. Bro, no joke. This chips and salsa is gas. It's honestly missing a little bit of spice, but the taste, bro, the flavor in this. We're finna get Brisella's reaction. She's in the restroom right now. Yeah, rate it. Okay, her first try right here. This place is good. I'm already fucking with it. Bro, damn, you barely dipped that motherfucker. You barely dipped it though.
It's good though. It's spicy.
It's not spicy. I literally just told him how it needs some more spice. What the heck, man? You lying.
It's good.
It's good, right? Good ass taste. Good ass flavor in that. Hey, man, the food came in and it is looking spectacular, man.
It's real noodles.
That chicken Alfredo? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
And they give you a little piece of bread, man. I fucking love when they give bread with pasta. But, man, this shit finna smack, babe. Record me biting into this. Gotta get it right. I'm saying, if you don't eat ketchup on your burger, you're a weirdo. Let's get it right. So I'm gonna look at that little squeeze. Pop.
No way.
They're good though. Try it. Oh, fine.
Yeah, give me one.
Hold on.
It's hot too?
Hot too.
It's good though.
Bro, this is sick. A ver. Give me a rating.
Try.
Bro, my shit's mine's a 9 out of 10. No cap.
I'm gonna try a little bit chicken
9 out of 10.
with a little bit of noodles. If I could get some.
That's it?
Yeah. It's strong, but it's good. You're gonna try it.
Hey, man, I'm not used to this lifestyle, bro. I'm really not. Look at this. Electric key fob. Look. Type shit. That's another banger out the way, man. Shout out to GMC, man. Shout out my family. Shout out my grandparents. This was such a dope video to edit and rewatch again. This was filmed like last year. I need to put the date down in the beginning of this video. You'll see the date in the beginning of this video. But hey, man, I really did appreciate anybody who stopped by and watched. If you fuck with the vlogs, man, you already know what to do, man. Drop a like for me, drop a comment. Go follow your boy on Instagram at Static Nano, and go follow me on Snapchat at NanoY2K. Hey, do me a favor, man. Shoot a prayer out for your boy, man, because this broken wrist, man, it got me fucked up, man. And your boy getting a cough right now, man. Shoot a prayer out for your boy, for real. If y'all want me to keep dropping these banger vlogs, I'm gonna need y'all to drop a like on this one. Get this whole to 30 likes, man. I need 30 likes on this vlog at least, man. Run up the numbers, man. I really appreciate everybody who stuck to the end. More vlogs coming soon. Newer vlogs coming soon because, like I said, I've been uploading a lot of old stuff. But, hey, some newer shit coming soon, too. I promise you guys that. Hey, it's been your boy, Nano. Drop some video ideas below. I really would appreciate it. It's been your Nano. Wow.